Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, we're exploring a beautiful collection of crochet top ideas, the showcase of creativity, elegance, and handmade fashion. Crochet tops have become one of the most loved fashion pieces because they combine comfort with style. Each design tells a story through its stitches, patterns, and textures. Whether simple or detailed, crochet tops bring a unique, handmade charm that you just can't find in factory-made clothing. As you watch these designs appear on your screen, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship behind every piece. From soft and delicate stitches to bold and eye-catching patterns, crochet tops can be worn in so many different ways and for many occasions. Some designs feel light and airy, perfect for warm weather and sunny days. Others look cozy and structured, ideal for layering or cooler evenings. Crochet allows endless possibilities: short tops, loose fits, elegant styles, and casual everyday looks. One of the most amazing things about crochet fashion is how flexible it can be. A single idea can be transformed into many different styles just by changing the yarn, the stitch pattern, or the color combination. Bright colors can create a playful and energetic look, while neutral tones bring a calm and classy feeling. These crochet tops are not only about fashion, but also about self-expression. Each piece reflects patience, creativity, and attention to detail. You can see how every stitch connects to form something beautiful and wearable. As the images continue, notice how some designs focus on texture, while others highlight shape and structure. Some are minimal and clean, while others are rich with artistic patterns. This variety shows how crochet can suit different personalities and tastes. Crochet tops are also perfect for mixing and matching with different outfits. They can be styled casually with jeans or skirts, or dressed up with accessories for special occasions. As you watch, you may notice how the patterns flow naturally, creating harmony between color and texture. Some designs appear soft and gentle, while others feel bold and modern. Crochet fashion continues to evolve, blending tradition with contemporary style. This collection celebrates the beauty of handmade work and the endless ideas that come from imagination. Crochet tops are not just clothing, they are wearable art. Take inspiration from the different styles shown here. Let them spark new ideas. Whether you love simple elegance or detailed artistic designs, crochet allows freedom to experiment and create something truly your own. Thank you for watching this showcase of crochet top ideas. I hope these images inspire creativity and appreciation for handmade fashion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crochet inspiration and beautiful design ideas. Stay creative, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.